welcome back to Home School. Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board have released SSLC model question papers for the academic year 2022-23. Subject Mathematics and your subject code 81E. Time allotted for this paper 3 hours 15 minutes. Total marks 80. If you look over first page, you will be having some general instructions for the candidates. So please look over those and let's quickly begin the answer key for this. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. In this main, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. Total 8 into 1, 8 marks. This main contains multiple choice questions. We need to select only one answer along with the option. Let's begin with the first problem. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 3n plus 1, then the fourth term of the progression is given nth term an is equal to 3n plus 1. What is its fourth term is your question. Fourth term a4, wherever you have n, substitute for 3 into 4 plus 1. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Fourth term is 13. Check for the option. Option B, 13 is your answer. First one, option B, 13. Second question. The rational number having a non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion in the following is. You can see all the 4 options here. The question is rational number having non-terminating and repeating decimal. You know from this chapter real numbers, you know that if the denominator of a rational number is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. If your denominator is in this format, you can say that rational number is a terminating decimal. Other than this, then you can say it is a non-terminating. Observe here, among these rational numbers, your denominator either only 2 power n may be there or only 5 power m may be there, or both you can have, but not other number. So observe first option, 5 square means it is in the form of 5 power m. So this is a terminating decimal. Then coming to this rational number, you are having 2 power n and 5 power m format. So I can say this rational number is also a terminating decimal. And look over C, denominator 2 into 7. Observe children, other than 2 and 5, if you see any number, either it should cancel with the numerator. If not cancel, then if the number is in the denominator, I say that this is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. So see the last option. In this rational number, your denominator is in 2 power n format. So I can say this rational number is a terminating decimal. So among this, which is the right answer? Option C, 5 by 2 into 7. Third question. In a class, the number of boys is denoted by the letter X. Let me write here. Number of boys denoted by X, and number of girls is denoted by the letter Y. Let's read the question. In a class, the number of boys is 5 more than the number of girls. The linear equation form of this statement is. Okay, let's read the statement again and frame the linear equation. The number of boys X is equal to 5 more plus 5. 5 more than the number of girls. That means X is equal to Y plus 5. So check for this option. No, we don't have this option. So look over the options. Options, I think A, what do you have? X minus Y is equal to 5. Check this option. if this y is transposed other side, it becomes x minus y. So I think x minus y is equal to 5 is the right answer. If you want, you can check other options also. Third one, answer is option A, x minus y is equal to 5. Fourth one, the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 4 and 5 respectively. Sum of the zeros and product of the zeros given. So let the two zeros be alpha and beta. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to 5. So frame the polynomial. How do you frame? You know x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros will get the polynomial. So substitute the value. X square minus 4x plus 5. This is the polynomial. And if you see your four options followed by a polynomial p of x is equal to, check for this option. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Your option D is the right answer. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Fifth problem. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Imagine a line segment joining the points 4, 3 and 2, 1 is. What is the question? Midpoint. Midpoint means you remember the formula. P of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Assume the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2. That is 4 plus 2 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So your coordinate is 3, 2. This is the midpoint coordinate of the line segment. So your option, which is the right answer? Option C, 3, 2. Sixth one, you can see two triangles over there. In the figure, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. If AB is equal to 3 centimeters, BC is equal to 4 centimeters and DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then the measure of EF is. Given the two triangles are similar, immediately we remember a theorem. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Apply that here. AB by DE, corresponding side, is equal to BC by EF. Substitute the values. AB 3, DE 4.5, BC 4, EF we are going to calculate. Cross multiply. EF is equal to 4 into 4.5 by 3. 1.5. 4 into 1.5 it is 6.0. I can write it as only 6 centimeters. Therefore, what is EF? 6 centimeter. Check for this option. Option B, 6 centimeters. Seventh problem. In the figure, BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle with center O. Where are the tangents? BP and BQ are the tangents. B is external point. O is the center. If angle OPQ is equal to 20 degree, find angle PBQ is your question. How we are going to find this? You need to find this angle, right? How? We know that by theorem in circles, what do we remember? Tangents, length of the tangents are equal and the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means from here to here angle is 90 degree. given this angle OPQ angle is how much? 20 degree. We know this angle is 90. 90 minus 20 you are going to get this. What is that? 90 minus 20 is 70 degree. We can say that the two tangents length is equal. If these two sides are equal of this triangle, then their opposite angles are equal. If this is 70, I can say this is also 70 degree. Now consider PQB triangle. Consider PQB triangle. The sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. 70 plus 70, 140. In 180, subtract 140. 180 subtract 140 degree, that will be 40 degree. Therefore, what is your angle PBQ, children? 40 degree. Search for the option. Option A, 40 degree. Now let's see the last question in this main. 8th one. The total surface area of the solid given in the figure is. They have given us a figure. Observe the figure carefully. What is this figure? Immediately you will say it is a right circular cone. Right? And R, radius R centimeter, height H centimeter, slant height L centimeter. What is the solid? It is a right circular cone. Your question is total surface area of the solid. What is total surface area of this solid cone? It is pi r into r plus L. When you are saying area, here you can see centimeters given. So write along with the unit, that is pi r into r plus L. Centimeter square is the total surface area. Which option is the right answer? It is option C. With this we complete our first main. Second main, answer the following questions. In this again you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. 9th one. Find the HCF of 7 and 11. 7 and 11. Highest common factor. Do you have any common factor among the 7 and 11? No, there is no common factor. That means only 1 is the common factor. 7 you can write it as 7 into 1 and 11 you can write it as 11 into 1. Other than 1, there is no common factor. Therefore, HCF of 7 and 11 is 1. Okay. Answer is 1. 10th one. How many solutions do the pair of linear equations has if the lines represented by them are coincident? Coincident means, see, the two lines are overlapping one above the other. Your question, how many solutions do they have? See, every point is a solution. That means you will be having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So how many solutions do they have? When the lines are coincident, they will be having infinitely many solutions. 11th one, write the degree of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 2x cube minus 5x power 4 plus 6. Degree of the polynomial. How will you find? Highest power of the polynomial. That is only the degree. Where is the highest power? Here. This is the highest power. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4. Degree of the polynomial degree of the polynomial is what? Is 4. 12th one, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We are going to find discriminant. First, compare the given equation with the standard form. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. Discriminant. What is the discriminant here? Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values in this. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4. And here minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1 it will be 12. 12 plus 4 16. What is the discriminant value here? It is 16. You can write discriminant equal to 16 or D is equal to 16. 13th question. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of a cone if the radii of its circular bases are R1 and R2 and its height is h. What is the volume of frustum of a cone? That is volume of frustum of a cone. Volume of frustum of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Right? Next, coming to 14th. If the probability of raining on a particular day is 0.75. Probability of raining, let me consider the event as P of A is equal to 0.75. Then find the probability of not raining on the same day. Not raining means we need to find P of A bar is equal to. We know P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. So substitute here P of A bar is equal to 1. Transpose that side. 1 minus 0.75. That is 0.25. What is the probability of not raining on the same day? 0.25. P of A bar is equal to 0.25. 15th one. If the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 64:121. Let us consider these two triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. What's your question? If the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 64:121. So let me write it as area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 64/121. Then find the ratio of their corresponding sides. I need the ratio of the corresponding sides. You remember a theorem. What is that? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. So let's write that. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to corresponding side, anything you can take. I'll take BC square by QR square, or I'll write BC by QR whole square. You know that this area's ratio is 64/121, and this whole square, send other side, it will be square root. Square root of 64/121. This is 8 8s are 64. 121 means 11 11s are 121. Whole square, square root cancel. BC by QR is equal to, BC is to QR is equal to 8:11. So your answer is, what is the ratio of their corresponding sides? 8:11 is your answer. Last question in this main. Find the distance between the origin and the point 3, 4. Very simple question. Mark the coordinate as x, y. Distance between the origin formula. D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5 units. Compulsory you need to write the answer as 5 units. Okay? Yes, is this clear? With this we are going to complete 2 mains. Third main, answer the following questions. In this main you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 into 2, 16 marks. 17th one, solve the given pair of linear equations. 2x plus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 2. See, in this solve given, you can choose your own method. That means either substitution, cross multiplication or elimination method. 2x plus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 2. Let us solve these two equations by elimination method. So consider the two equations. 2x plus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 2. Positive y, negative y. So add the two equations. Cancel. 2x plus x will be 3x. 7 plus 2, 9. X is equal to 9 by 3. That is x is equal to 3. Now this x value substitute in any one of the equation. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 2. 3 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y transpose other side, plus y, plus 2 if it comes this side, minus 2. Therefore y is equal to 1. The solutions of the pair of linear equations are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Let me write answers in short here. X is equal to 3, comma, y is equal to 1. 18th question. Find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression. Find 30th term. 30th term means you need to calculate A30. Of the arithmetic progression 7, 11, 15, so on by using formula. Okay. So for this arithmetic progression, first we need to write A1, A2, A3. First term A or A1 is equal to 7. Common difference A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. We know formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N value is 30. A30 is equal to A value is 7. N value is 30. D value is 4. Substitute 7 plus 30 minus 1, 29. 29 into 4. 9 4s are 36, 4 2s are 8, 11. Then this will be 6 plus 7, 13, 123. 30th term of the given arithmetic progression is 123. 19th one. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. Observe the equation here. First we need to compare the given equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare. A value is 1, b plus 4, c plus 5. Formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute a, b, c values in this. Minus 4 plus or minus square root of b value is 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 5 whole divided by 2 into 1. Minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 4s are 16 minus 5 4s are 20 by 2 1s are 2. And this will be x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 20 will be minus 4 by 2. Immediately observe the square root, you are having negative. Negative in square root if you have, we can say that there are no roots for the given quadratic equation. Therefore, the given quadratic equation, that is x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0, has no roots. There are no real roots for the given quadratic equation because you have a negative sign in the root. You have one more OR question, so let us do that also. OR, but in annual exam only one you have to select. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Observe the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. By which method we need to do? By completing square method we are going to solve this. And what are the rules for this method? First rule, observe the quadratic equation. The numerical coefficient of x square, is it 1? Check. If not 1, we are going to do that step. If it is 1, we are going to continue with the second step. Right? Observe here x square coefficient, is it 1? No, it is 2. So what we are going to do? Divide whole equation by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 equal to 0. At a time whole equation divide by 2 and then you can split up. 2 cancel. 2 2s are 4. X square plus x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. First step is completed. That is x square coefficient is 1. Now we have second step. Observe x coefficient. What do you have? 1 by 2. Third step, multiply half and then do whole square. What you are going to get here? 1 by 4 whole square. Again I repeat the second step. If your x square coefficient is 1, then observe x coefficient 1 by 2. For that multiply half and do whole square. What you are going to get? 1 by 4 whole square. That add and subtract 1 by 4 whole square above. Where make a move of minus 2 little. X square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 equal to 0. And now the first 3 terms make a formula. What formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. If you want you can split and check. Directly I can write it as a plus b whole square is equal to, transpose these two other side, 1 by 4 whole square minus it is there. So if you transpose it will be positive. 4 4s are 16. 1 by 16 minus 2, it becomes plus 2. Whole square, keep it as it is and do LCM. 1 plus 16 2s are 32. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 by 16. Whole square, if you send other side, you will be applying square root. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 16. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 33 by this root 33 we cannot take it out, whereas root 16 I can write it as 4. So transpose 1 by 4 also other side. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus or minus root 33 by 4. So do LCM. Minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. These two are the roots of the given quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0 by completing square method. If you want, you can rewrite this roots as x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4 or x is equal to minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. Both the way the roots are correct. 20th problem. Prove that 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. How can we prove this as an irrational number? So let me do the solution in short. If we need to prove it as an irrational number, first we need to assume it as a rational number. Rational number we can equate to p by q or a by b. Any rational number you can take. Now root 3, 5 transpose other side, a by b minus 5. Do LCM. A minus 5b by b. A minus 5b by b is a rational number. But this rational number I cannot equate to irrational number. Whereas root 3 is a irrational number. So what we have assumed, 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. Our assumption is wrong. So what I can say finally, therefore 5 plus root 3 is a irrational number. So write those all statements here. My contradiction is wrong on the let us assume this all you can complete. Next one. Or question. In this problem you have one more or question, that is find LCM of 12, 15 and 21 by the method of prime factorization. Okay. Find the prime factors of 12. 3, 2, 2. Right? And coming to 15, write all the prime factors. 3 into 5, 21, 3 into 7. So 3 is common in all the 3 numbers. So LCM of 12, 15, 21 is 3 into again multiply 2 into 2, 5 into 7. Common number write only one time. 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 5 2s are 10, 42 10s are 420. Therefore, what is the LCM of 12, 15 and 21? It is 420. 21st problem. QRP11 root 2. In the figure, write the value of sin P and sin 90 minus R. Sin P, sin 90 degree minus R. Observe here, there is a right triangle given for you. PQR is a right triangle, Q is right angle. Hypotenuse is root 2 and other two sides 1 and 1 you have. Sin P, acute angle is at P. What is sin theta ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. For angle P, what is opposite side? QR. Hypotenuse PR. That is 1 by root 2 is your answer. Next one, sin 90 minus R. Complementary angle you should remember. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So your theta value here is R. Cos R. Cos theta ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Your R acute angle is here. Now for this adjacent is QR and opposite PR. So again you are going to get 1 by root 2. So your answers are sin p is equal to 1 by root 2 and sin 90 minus r is also equal to 1 by root 2. Next question. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 3.5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree. So this is a construction, children. Just I do roughly. Understand the question carefully. The inclination angle is between radius or tangents, you should see. See, in your question, the inclination angle is between the tangents. So given radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeters. So you draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Draw two tangents. So somewhere you are going to get the tangents. What is their inclination angle? 80. Tangential angle and central angle sum will be 180, right? 180 minus 80, it is 100 degree. So here make an angle 100 degree and join to get a radius. This is 100 degree. And now you know how to draw a tangent. By using that, draw the tangents. Now the two tangents are going to intersect. So mark here P, Q, R and this is O. Therefore P, Q and PR are the required tangents of the inclination angle 80 degree. And now next problem, 23rd. This is probability question. There are 6 red, 5 blue and 4 green balls in a box. So let me imagine. So we do the problem in short, children, but you do properly statement wise later. Now red color, how many you have? 6 balls. Blue color 5 balls. Green color 4 balls. Total how many balls are there in that box? Total gives the sample space. That means 15 balls. I can write number of sample spaces is equal to 15. So there are 15 balls in a box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is not green? Not green means what, children? Other than green, which colors you have? Red and blue, right? So red and blue means add these to 11. So not green, what will be the probability? 11 by sample spaces 15. Do this properly, children. Just I have written only final answer. Coming to second one, what is the probability that the ball drawn is red color? Red color, how many balls are there? 6. 6 by total sample spaces 15. So your probability is 11 by 15 and 6 by 15. Coming to your next problem, 24th problem. In the figure, ABC is a right angled triangle and angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. If AD perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to DC, then prove that BC square is equal to 4AD square. Observe the figure. ABC is a right triangle, right angled at A. From A, draw a perpendicular AD perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to DC given. What we are going to prove? BC square is equal to 4AD square. See, this problem we can do in 2 or 3 ways. So one method I am going to say now. Observe carefully. Let's start the proof by considering 3 right triangles. First big right triangle, then the 2 small right triangles. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Right? First big triangle means consider the triangle BAC. Hypotenuse is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now consider the triangle. What is the triangle here? ADB. Apply Pythagoras. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Similarly, consider this right triangle. Triangle ADC. AC square is equal to Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. AD square plus DC square. Mark this as 1, 2, 3. Right? Consider equation 1 and substitute 2 and 3 in it. What is equation 1? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. In AB square, substitute this one. AD square plus BD square. In AC square again substitute AD square plus DC square. BC square is equal to AD square plus AD square, 2AD square, and BD square plus DC square right here. Now you should remember something. Given BD is equal to DC, anything you can change. Either BD you can change or DC you can change. That means BC square is equal to 2AD square plus, instead of BD I will write DC square plus DC square. In your next step it becomes 2AD square plus 2DC square. Now observe the proof. BC square okay, 4AD square needed. I don't want this. So in the place of DC, are you going to substitute anything? Yes. Observe carefully. We know that BC is nothing but BD plus DC. In BD, substitute DC. DC plus DC is 2DC. BC is equal to 2DC. And now, what is DC? DC is nothing but BC by 2. So, according to the given condition BD is equal to DC, I can write DC is equal to BC by 2 or BD is equal to BC by 2. Now, this value substitute in the place of DC. Right? BC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2 into BC by 2 whole square. Don't cancel this 2. BC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2 into BC square by 2 2s are 4. Cancel this 2 2s are, now you can cancel. BC square by 2, transpose other side. BC square minus BC square by 2 is equal to 2AD square. Do LCM. 2BC square minus BC square by 2 is equal to 2AD square. This is BC square, and here this 2 if you send other side, 4AD square. This is a thing you need to prove. Hence it is proved. Right? So the same problem, shall I solve in 3 lines? Yes, look here. How can we do that? Observe here carefully. I know this ABC is a right triangle. Then I can apply its corollaries. How can I apply? When you consider these two triangles separately, compare, if you are able to prove similarity, then you get an equation. That is AD square is equal to BD into DC. AD square is equal to BD into DC. But what is BD? That is nothing but BC by 2. And what is DC? BC by 2. Substitute here. AD square is equal to BC by 2, BC by 2. Now multiply BC into BC, BC square by 4. This 4 send this side. 4AD square is equal to BC square. See here children, if you want to do long, this method. If you want to do short, that's it. Only within 2 lines you can end up this problem. Okay, is this clear? With this we are going to complete our second main. Fourth main, answer the following questions. 9 questions will be there in this main. Each carries 3 marks. 9 into 3, 27 marks. 25th problem. This main continues the numbering of 25. Divide the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by the polynomial g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Find the quotient and remainder means we need to find q of x and r of x. Divide the polynomial. Let's do the division of polynomials. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. When you are doing division of a polynomials, you need to observe the powers. If you see any missing powers, you need to add with a 0 into x power that number. Right? So here 3, 2, 1, 0 order there. So let's divide this with g of x. Observe here x square, x power 1 term is missing. That means write here with 0 into x minus 2. As it is also you can divide. If you write this, you will be very comfortable in doing division. Right? So x square plus 0 into x minus 2. Now this p of x first term divide by g of x first term. That means x cube by x square. Cube will be cancelled. 1x is left. That x right here. So again with this x multiply. X into x square is x cube. Plus into plus plus. 0 into x is 0 into x square, or just you can write 0. So simply I will write here 0 into x square minus 2 into x, 2x. Right? So now subtract, change signs, cancel, minus 3x square, 5x plus 2x will be 7x, bring this minus 3 down, and again minus 3x square by x square divide, minus 3 is left right here, and with minus 3 multiply this, minus 3x square plus into minus 0 into anything is only 0 you can write. Simply I may write here 0 into x. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. And now again same sign, so subtract and change sign. Right? Cancel. 7x minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. So we cannot continue. This is only the end. That means when you divide this polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x, we get a quotient. Q of x is how much? X minus 3. And a reminder, r of x is equal to 7x minus 9. Okay? Q of x is equal to x minus 3. R of x is equal to 7x minus 9. 26th problem. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field are 60 meters square and 32 meters respectively. Find the length and breadth of the field. Okay, let me assume a rectangle. Okay, let us consider this as a rectangle. We don't know length and breadth. Let me assume it as LB. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field are area and perimeter given. So, given, I am doing the problem in short, try to understand, and you write neatly stepwise. Area of a rectangle formula, L into B. What is that value given here? L into B is equal to 60 meters square. Right? And perimeter is how much given? 32 meters. What is perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 32. This 2 send this side. L plus B is equal to 32 by 2, that will be 16. L plus B is equal to 16. If you want, you can transpose B other side. L is equal to 16 minus B. Mark this L into B or LB is equal to 60. Mark this first and mark this second. L value substitute in that. Substituting L equal to 16 minus b in equation 1, that is LB is equal to 60. In L place, write 16 minus b into b is equal to 60. 16b minus b square is equal to 60. See, b square you have negative, so these two terms transpose other side. That makes b square minus 16b plus 60. b square minus 16b plus 60 equal to 0. This 0 at a time you can send other side, equal to 0 you can write. Now factorize this equation. 60, what are the factors? 10 6 are 60, right? 60 factors, 10, 6. You should get minus 16. That means minus 10 minus 6. b square minus 10b minus 6b plus 60 equal to 0. Take out b common, b minus 10 minus 6 common, again b minus 10 equal to 0. Then this will be b minus 10 into b minus 6 equal to 0. b minus 10 equal to 0 or b minus 6 equal to 0. b is equal to plus 10, b is equal to plus 6. Therefore, b is equal to 10 or b is equal to 6. Breadth is 10. Now, these values you substitute in any one of the equation. Let me go with the second equation. L is equal to 16 minus 10. Substitute here b value 10. That will be how much? 6. Suppose if I substitute b is equal to 6 in the second equation, what happens? L is equal to 16 minus 6, that is 10. What can you say? If breadth is 10, length will be 6. If breadth is 6, length will be 10. Units you need to write. There you can see meter square, that means length 6 meters or 10 meters. Breadth 10 meters or 6 meters. Therefore, what you can say here? Find the length and breadth of the field. If length is 6 meters, breadth will be 10 meters, or if length is 10 meters, breadth will be 6 meters. In 26, we have one more OR question. A bus travels 360 km distance with uniform speed. If the speed of the bus had been 10 km per hour more, it would have taken 3 hours less for the same journey. Find the speed of the bus. So what is given in this problem? 26 OR question. Distance d is equal to how much? 360 kilometers. This problem along with the verbal statements you need to complete. Uniform speed of the bus had been 10 kilometers more. Let the initial speed be x. And what happens to the speed? Speed increases, that is x plus 10. Now, how much time it takes less? If the speed increases, time decreases. How much time it is decreasing? 3 hours less. Find speed of the bus. How can we find speed here? So, we know a relation, that is time is equal to distance by speed. And the initial speed and distance, same distance. 360 kilometers, speed x, and when the speed increases it will be x plus 10 is equal to how many hours it is taking less? 3 hours less. The speed increasing, time decreasing. So what you are going to take here? You are going to take a negative sign in middle and solve this. X and x plus 10, LCM, x into x plus 10, and now multiply x plus 10 here, 360 into x plus 10 minus 360 into x, that is 360x, directly you can write. Now remove this bracket. 360x plus 360 into 10, 3600 minus 360x by x square plus 10x is equal to 3. Minus 360x plus 360x cancel. Now cross multiply, that is 3 into x square plus 10x is equal to 3600. This 3 send other side, x square plus 10x is equal to, or directly you can cancel 3 ones are 3 1200s is equal to 1200. 1200 bring this side, x square plus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. What are the factors for this? 1200. Okay, 0 0 you write here. For 12 what are the factors? 4 3, right? That means 40 30s are, let us check it out. Yes, you may get 10, but how? If you multiply you should get negative. If you add or subtract you should get positive value. That means plus 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30 it will be 10. So write here x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200 equal to 0. Now in these two x is common, x plus 40 minus 30 common, x plus 40 is equal to 0. Now again x plus 40 is common, x minus 30 is equal to 0, x plus 40 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 40 or x is equal to plus 30. See, speed cannot be negative. So what I can say? Therefore, speed of the bus is 30 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the speed of bus is 30 kilometers per hour. While you are solving this problem, read the question 2 to 3 times. Start with the given data with the statements. A bus travels a distance of 360 kilometers, and when the speed increases and the time decreases, those all statements you write. We know time is equal to distance by speed and the ratios, and then solve the equation, right? 27th problem. Find the mean for the following group data. Your data is here. Class interval and frequency is given. 0 to 20, 12, 20 to 40, 14, 40 to 68, 60 to 86, 80 to 100, 10. We are going to find mean for the given data. Mean means immediately we remember a formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Observe in this table fi there. So immediately let me add all the frequencies. Summation or a sigma fi means sum of all the frequencies. 12 plus 14, 26. 26 plus 8, it will be 34. 40, 50. Okay. Now, what about fi xi? What is xi? Xi is a class mark. How do we get this? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So, take 2 more columns, extend and mark here xi. Class mark, lower limit plus upper limit. 0 plus 20, 20. 20 by 2 will be 10. Similarly, 20 plus 40, 60. 60 by 2 is 30. And next 50, then 70, then 90. Right? Now, another column, fi xi needed. So, multiply fi and xi. 12 tens are 120. 14 into 30. 420. Right? 8 into 50. 400. 70 into 6. 420. 10 into 90. 900. Add all this. 0. And this is 6. 5, 9, 13. And this will be 22. This is nothing but just little you can write summation fi xi is equal to, you write here. Now substitute those values in mean formula. 2260 by 50. 0, 0 cancel. 5 4s are 20. 26 left. 5 5s are 25. 0.1 left, 10. That is 5 2s are 10. So your answer is 45.2 is the mean for the given data. Right? In this 27, you have one more odd problem. Find the median for the following group data. Class interval and frequency. You can see the data given here. We need to calculate median. Median, we remember a formula. What is that? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So this is your median formula. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. First, how to do the median? We are going to take one more column. This is cumulative frequency column. That means go on adding the frequency. 5, first one as it is. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 20, 33. 33 plus 15, 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55 plus 5, 60. Right? This is cumulative frequency. In order to find median, first we are going to find the median class. How we are going to get median class? See, total. This is nothing but the total frequency. If you want, you can add all the frequencies. What you are going to get? Summation F is nothing but 60. Median class you need to find. See the total frequency, half of it. This is nothing but n, you can say. What is n by 2? N by 2 is nothing but 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Okay. 30, observe in cumulative frequency. 35, 13, 33. That means 30 will be here. So just round up with a pencil and say this is only the median class. You need to write median class 20 to 30. You can write here. Right? And observe in the table. In median class, lower limit is L. And what about n by 2? 30. Cumulative frequency just above the median class. Frequency in the median class, H class size. That means H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. Right, now we are going to substitute all these. L 20 plus n by 2. What is your n by 2? 30 minus cumulative frequency is 13 by frequency 20 into H 10. 0, 0 cancel. And now 20 plus 30 minus 13, it will be 17 by 2. Cancel. 2 8s are 16. 0.25s are 10. Add 28.5 is the median. See, you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. That answer should be there in the median class interval. Right? 20 to 30, 28.5 will be there. So what you have done is right. Okay? 28th problem. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policy holders. Draw less than type ogive for the given data. Age in years, less than 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 given. Number of policy holders, cumulative frequency 12, 25, 40, 66, 84, 100. See there in the table ready data given. So what we are going to do? We are going to do less than type ogive. So simply take the graph sheet. This is not graph sheet. You have to take the graph sheet and mark this x-axis and this is y-axis. See here less than type ogive. What you have numbers less than 20, 25, 30, 35. So your graph start from 20, right? So let me take each scale of x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units I will take. See here, but I have taken first one 20, next one 25, 30, 35, 40. I'll take like this. And I am going to compress the graph by a wave, right? And now coming to y-axis, this is age in years, and this side cumulative frequency, number of policy holders you can write. And what about your scale here? 12, 25, 40, 66, 84, 100 you have. So same manner you can take here 10, 20, 30 like that. That means y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units you take. Okay. And your graph less than type ogive. Directly plot these values in graph. That means how will be your graph? Like this it will be there. Right? Less than type ogive from down to up. That means low to high your curve will be there. Directly do this in graph. 29. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is a direct theorem from circles. See children, in circles we will be having only 2 theorems. Among those, one is compulsory for 3 marks. Very small theorem. Don't forget to learn this, right? 30th question. Prove that cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So let me take the question here. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. We can consider LHS and prove RHS, or you can consider RHS and get LHS, or you can drag LHS and RHS at a time to get the same answer. Now let me consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Cosecant A I can write it as 1 by sin A minus sin A into secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now do LCM. 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Understand here, cos A and 1 LCM is cos A, sin A and 1 LCM is sin A. And now by identities I can say 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So write here cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A. So please don't forget to write whatever identities we are writing, therefore or since you write and write beside. That means here we know secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. You can write by identities 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. This paper I am doing in short. Right? Now 1 sin A cancels. 1 cos A cancel. Now what you are left here? Sin A into cos A. Mark it first equation. Now consider RHS. Consider right hand side. What we have? 1 by tan A plus cot A. So let me complete the problem here. 1 by tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Do LCM. 1 by sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. Did you get this? Look here, cos A and sin A LCM is sin A cos A. Here you have cos A. So multiply 1 sin A for the numerator and you have here sin A, another cos A multiply for the numerator. Now 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Substitute that by sin A cos A. Bring the sin A cos A to the numerator. Sin A cos A by 1 you are going to get. So finally you can rewrite this as sin A into cos A. So mark the second equation. Therefore from 1 and 2 equations I can say LHS is equal to RHS. And again rewrite the question and write hence it is proved. In this we have one more OR question. Find the value of sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. You should remember ratio table in order to substitute in this, right? So now let's find the sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 value is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree, that is 2 by root 3 whole divided by secant 30 degree 2 by root 3 plus cos 60, it is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Now numerators do LCM, denominators also do LCM. Next step. 2 and root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. Here you have to root 3 multiply. Root 3 plus nothing there means you need to multiply 2 root 3 for the numerator. Minus 2 you multiply here, 2 2s are 4. Similarly here also 2 root 3 LCM. You have root 3 so multiply for this 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus you have to multiply root 3 and here 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3, 2 root 3 cancel. What you are going to get here? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4. Coming to denominator, 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 4. Is the problem complete? No. Denominator should not be in the form of surd. So what we are going to do? We are going to rationalize by the conjugate of the denominator. How we are going to rationalize? By multiplying the conjugate, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 for numerator and also denominator. Multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Observe here children, it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. I can write it as a minus b whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b form there. So this we can write it as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Now apply a minus b whole square formula. 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 3 root 3 into b value is 4 plus 4 whole square whole divided by. Observe here 3 root 3 whole square means 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 4 4s are 16. And again numerator 3 root 3 whole square is how much? 27 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 root 3 plus 4 4s are 16. 27 minus 16 will be 11. 27 plus 16 it will be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Right? Therefore, your solution is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. See, in this problem, you have a chance of doing mistake. Where you are going to do the mistake, most of the children will stop the problem here. They forget to multiply numerator and denominator by their conjugates. See, denominator should not be in third form. So, denominator bring up to the normal number. Denominator should not be in the third form. So, rationalize and do the calculation carefully. Okay. Next, 31st problem. Construct a triangle of sides 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. So, this construction just I am showing you rough. You please do properly. 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm. So, let me take 10 cm base. A, B I'll mark. From A as a center, 6 cm draw an arc. From B as a center, 8 cm cut this arc and then join. Okay. And you are going to construct another triangle whose sides are in the ratio 3 by 4 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So here, observing the ratio, you can say your new triangle will be inside the original triangle or outside. Observe there, it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means the new triangle will be inside. That first thing you should observe. How to do this construction of another triangle? So from A as a center, draw a ray which is acute. Right? 3 by 4. What is a greater number? You can see 4. So from here, mark 4 arcs. Right? Mark this A1, A2, A3, A4. From A4, denominator to join other side of the base with a scale. Right? And numerator, what you have? 3. 3, right? So from here, draw an arc. From here again, draw an arc. Go back, measure, measure, cut and then extend the line. Now from here again, arc, arc, go back, measure, cut and then join. So this is your new triangle. Mark this as A, B dash, C dash is similar to triangle ABC, right? In the ratio 3:4. So given data, and if you need 4 to 5 line steps if you want, you can write, right? So let's move to the 32nd problem. In the figure, you can see a figure here, right? And this is a quadrant. Can you observe the quadrant? Yes. And from here to here some point P is given and this part is shaded. Okay. So now let's read the question. In the figure, the length of the arc AB of the circle with center O is 11 centimeters. See here children, from here to here arc given, how much it is? 11 centimeter it says. Length of the arc, do you remember a formula? Yes. What is that? Length of an arc is equal to theta by 360 degree into, where is arc? Arc is in the circumference of a circle. So what formula you are going to remember? Into 2 pi r, that's it. So now length of arc given 11 centimeter. Theta angle is right angle, that means 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Where is the radius? Let's read here. If OP is equal to 4 centimeter, see this OP from here to here it is 4 centimeter, then find the area of the shaded region. So how can I find this radius? By using this length of an arc, I will find R, right? So let's start finding. 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s, and this 7 send here. 11 into 7 by 11 is equal to r. 11 cancel. What is the radius you got, children? Radius is 7 centimeter. Radius means from here to here and here to here, right? You know OP. You know OP is only 4 centimeter. Then what about this part? It is 7 minus 4, 3 centimeter. So don't worry, don't bother about that. What is OB we got? Radius is 7 centimeters. Now how can I find that shaded region? In a quadrant area, subtract the right triangle area. You are going to get the shaded region. So frame the formula here. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. What is area of a quadrant formula? Pi r square by 4. And what about area of a triangle AOB? Half into base OB into height. Only up to OP we need to consider. Right? Now pi value is 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into r. What we got r? 7 into 7 minus half into OB value is 7. OP value is 4. Don't write here also 7. And now 2 2s are 2 11s are 1 7 1 7 cancel. And here you are going to left with 11 7s are 77 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4. That is 7 2s are 14. So let me continue here. 77 minus 14 2s are 28 by 2. 77 minus 29, it will be 49 by 2. Cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8.5. That means area of the shaded region is equal to 24.5 centimeter square. Right? In areas related to circles problems, observe the figure carefully and see where is the shaded region. So if you are able to observe shaded region properly, you will be able to frame the formula correctly. Right? Is this clear? If you want, watch again how to solve this problem and then you can solve it. 33rd problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. See, when you are reading the problem, you just try to frame this. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So what we need to find? We need to find this point coordinate. So they have given x1, y1, x2, y2, ratio m1:m2. Which formula we are going to use to find the point? Section formula. That is p of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Right? Substitute. m1 value is 2, x2 value is 4 plus m2 value is 3, x1 value is -1 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, comma 2 into y2 value is -3 plus 3 into y1 value is 7 whole divided by 2 plus 3. 2 4s are 8, 3 into -1 -3 by 5, comma -6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 5. And this one 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5. comma 21 minus 6, it will be 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. Therefore, what is the coordinate, children? Px comma y is 1 comma 3. So this problem you have one more OR question, that is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 1 comma 4. What we are going to find? We are going to find the area of the triangle. So do you remember the formula? Area of triangle. Let me mark ABC. You can mark, if you want the coordinates, you can mark it ABC is equal to half of, formula very easy to remember, children, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. You write off first. Okay. How to write now? 1, 2, 3. Next, with 2 you start. 2, 3, 1. Then again with 3, 3, 1, 2. That's it. What is area of a triangle formula? Half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now for these coordinates, mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute in this formula. Half of x1 value is 7. y2 value 1 minus, observe there, y3 4 plus x2 value is 5, y3 value 4 minus y1 value is minus 2. So don't forget to keep in bracket. Plus x3 1, y1 minus 2 minus y2 value is 1. So half of 7 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3 plus 5 into, remove this bracket, minus and minus, plus 4 plus 2 will be 6 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Half of plus and minus, minus 7 3s are 21. 5 6 are 30. Minus 3 plus and minus, minus 1 into 3 is 3. Half of minus 21 minus 3 is minus 24 plus 30. That is half of 30 minus 24 will be 6. 2 3s are 6. That is 3 square units. What is the area, children, here? Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to 3 square units. Right? So 3 square units. See here, this side I have written answers in short. Means you try the question paper and just check your answers by seeing this line. If you have any doubt in any problem, then you can see that problem once or twice. Okay. With this, we are going to complete our 4th main. 5th main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 4 questions. Each carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. 34th problem. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. And the equations are x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Solve these 2 equations and get the solution graphically. Consider x plus y is equal to 5, or you can mark it first equation, you can say, and second equation. Rewrite this in the form of y is equal to transpose plus x other side, that will be minus x. Y is equal to 5 minus x. Draw a table. X, y, x comma y. At least 3 coordinates needed here. And next, similarly do partition and consider the second equation. What is that? 2x plus y is equal to 7. Rewrite in y form. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Again take a small table. X, y, x comma y. Right? Now observe the two equations. How will be the graph? You can guess. How? Observe a1 by a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 1 by 1, that is 1. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So what you can say? That two lines are intersecting graphically. If they are intersecting graphically, they will be having one solution. So first, in any rough column, try to solve these two equations roughly, right, to guess the answer. Right, without any mistake, if you need, you can solve these two equations in rough column. So let me solve these two equations, but don't do in answer paper. Rough column you try to do. By elimination method, I do this. Subtract, y minus y cancel, x minus 2x is minus x, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, minus minus cancel, x is equal to 2. Right? So that 2 value I want. So put in table middle 2 and then manage any other numbers. 2 before any number, let me take 0. 2 after one number, let me take 4. Here also same manner, 0, 2, 3. Right? Same numbers not needed. Any number you can take. Now, how to write this? If x is equal to 0. Observe properly. If x is equal to 0. Substitute x value in that. Y is equal to 5 minus 0. That will be 5. So, write here 5. Coordinate is 0, 5. And same manner, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. 2, 3 is the coordinate. And again, if x is equal to 4, in the place of x substitute 4, 5 minus 4, that will be 1. 4, 1. Right? And now consider another table. 0, 2, 3 I have taken here. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. Substitute in place of x 0. That is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Coordinate is 0, 7. And next, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, that is 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So mark here 2, 3. And next, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. 7 minus 3 to the 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3, 1. Right? So, now next step. In a graph sheet. Take a graph sheet. I am doing on a board. You please take a graph sheet. Mark x-axis. And this is y-axis. Y dash, x dash. This is 0. Origin. Now, here how do you take scale? On x-axis, I can see up to 4. Right? So, I will take each centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 3, 4, 5 like this. And this side negative numbers. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And now consider y-axis. 5, 3, 1, 7, 3, 1. That means 7 is the largest number. So, I can plot 7 digits easily. So, I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Same manner here, negative scale. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And right side top scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis, same manner, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Compulsory this one. Now start plotting this one. 0, 5, first coordinate. 0, 5 here, right? And you can put a cross mark or a round. Next, 2, 3. Next, 4, 1. Yes, around here. So now, actually this is a rough graph, children. Exactly you will get a straight line. Okay. So you should not manage anything here. You will get a straight line. Take a sharp and a dark pencil. Now, write the coordinates 4, 1, 2, 3, and here it is 0, 5. And next, write the equation for that. X plus y is equal to 5. Okay, one equation shown graphically. Now see another table. 0, 7 somewhere here. 2, 3 here. 3, 1. So observe one more line. See how it is like this. Right, again same manner, coordinates 3, 1, 2, 3 already there, and this one will be 0, 7. Now the two lines are intersecting, yes or no, at a point 2, 3. And write this line equation. It is 2x plus y is equal to 7. And now the intersecting point, that coordinate is very important. Make a dotted line, do perpendiculars, right? And now, what is this? This is x value. X is equal to 2. And this is y is equal to 3. This is the way you should show the solution graphically, right? So, statement wise, therefore, the two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus y is equal to 7 are intersecting graphically, at 2, 3. That is, or you can write, therefore the solutions of the two equations are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. See children, completely if you follow these steps neatly, definitely you are going to score 4 out of 4. I have done roughly without a graph sheet. You please do neatly with a dark and sharp pencil and using scale and all. Definitely you will score 4 out of 4 for this, right? 35. State and prove basic proportionality theorem, or it is Thales theorem. So this is a direct theorem. You can write the theorem properly following 5 steps. That is statement, data, to prove, construction, proof. And in an order, write neatly with the figure. Definitely you are going to score 4 out of 4. So coming to your next problem, 36th problem. As observed from the top of a building standing vertically on the ground. So let us draw this figure. Let me draw, already given in your question paper this figure. So you can see the figure here. 30° P C B A, and this is angle of depression 60°. Right. Now let me read the problem. As observed from the top of a building. Can you see? AB is a building. From top of a building standing vertically on the ground. Building is standing vertically on the ground. The angle of depression of a point C. From this point, top of a building to depression to a point C. Angle is 60°. From the foot B of the building. And your next point, from foot B of the building, when moved through point C in a straight line and observe the top of the building from point P. See, understand properly. There is a building. From the top of a building, the angle of depression to a point C on the ground is 60 degree. See here, your angle from here to here, right? And in the same manner, from the foot of the building, from point B to C, it is moving in a straight line to a point P. If the angle of elevation has to be 30 degree, see, from the point P now, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is how much? 30 degree. Then show that the distance moved from C to P, that means CP, is twice the distance BC. So finally what we need to prove? They asked us to prove CP is equal to twice BC. The problem is very simple, but you have to understand the problem carefully. So let's see once again. There is a building, AB is a building. From top of the building to a point C on the ground, the angle of depression is 60 degree. So you need a horizontal line, and now angle of depression is 60 degree. And now from foot of the building through point C, moving in a straight line to point P. From that point, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degree. So they asked us to prove that the distance CP is twice the distance BC. Prove CP is equal to 2BC is your question. So don't worry. First, write the statements properly. AB is a building, depression angle, elevation angle. This all write neatly. And now observe, it is perpendicular. Now this depression angle, I can say that horizontal is parallel. These two lines are parallel. So I can alternate this depression angle here. This 60 degree and this will be now 60 degree. Now let us assume height of the building as h and BC x, CP y. So to prove y is equal to 2x. So let us start proving this problem by considering, first consider the right triangle ABC. Consider right triangle ABC. Observe, this is acute angle, opposite adjacent. Which ratio? Tan ratio, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. AB is h, BC is x. h is equal to x root 3. Mark it first equation. And now consider another right triangle. Consider another right triangle ABP. And now your angle is tan 30 degree is equal to, consider the big right triangle, opposite adjacent. So it is AB by BP. Tan 30 degree, it is 1 by root 3. AB, H, BP, x plus y. H is equal to x plus y by root 3. Cross multiply. Mark it 2. Now consider the equations 1 and 2. Consider equation 1 and 2. You can equate h is equal to x root 3, h is equal to x plus y by root 3. Then you can equate directly these two. X root 3 is equal to x plus y by root 3. Send this root 3 here. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3x is equal to x plus y. So this x transpose 3x minus x is equal to y. 2x is equal to y. Or you can rewrite it as y is equal to 2x. Observe here, y is nothing but CP and x is nothing but BC. Hence it is proved. That's it. Very easily you can prove this. And please include verbal statements here. Therefore, the distance CP is twice the distance BC. Right? Therefore, CP is equal to 2BC. Hence, it is proved. 37th problem. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 222. That means given sum of n terms is equal to 222 and sum of its first n minus 1 terms is 187. Sum of first n minus 1 terms is 187. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2, that means first term is represented by a is equal to 2. Then find the arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression is your question. So observe the question carefully. Sum of n terms given, sum of n minus 1 terms given, a given. So you need to find arithmetic progression. So I remember immediately a formula, that is an is equal to Sn minus 1. Do you remember? Yes. So now substitute that 222 minus 187. An is equal to, subtract these two, 12 minus 7 it will be 5, 11 minus 8 will be 3 and this will be 1 minus 1, 0, 35. I got nth term 35. I can say nth term either it may be an or L. Right? Now again take Sn and write Sn formula. When you know first term and last term, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. You know L, you know a and Sn also you know. Substitute all those. Sn value is 222. We don't know n, by 2 into a value is 2 plus L value is 35. Send this 2 here, that is 444 is equal to 35 plus 2 will be 37n. And again n is equal to 444 by 37. Let's try to cancel. 37 ones are 37 and here it will be 774. 37 twos are 74. Therefore n is equal to 12. N you know, A you know, An you know, can't you find D? Yes, we can find. So let me take here. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An, what is An? N value is 12. So let me write here. A12 is equal to, A value is 2, N value is 12 minus 1. And we don't know D. A12 value is An is last term, that value is 35 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1, 11 D. Transpose this to this side. 35 minus 2 is equal to 11 D. 11 D is equal to 33. At a time reverse. D is equal to 33 by 11. 11 3 is a 33. So therefore finally what I can say, I know first term and common difference, I can write the arithmetic progression. Therefore arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So now what is A here? We know A 2, D 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 into 3, 2 plus 3 into 3, so on. So finally 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. Therefore the arithmetic progression is 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. So let me repeat this problem. Sn is given, S of n minus 1 given, first term given. So immediately we remember An is equal to Sn minus S of n minus 1. So substitute, you get the nth term or a last term, that is 35. You know a and the last term and Sn also known. So write Sn formula, substitute all these values in order to find n. So finally what you come to know, there are 12 terms, right? Last term is 12th term. Write an formula. A12 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1, 11 d. Substitute a value, n value, you are going to get d value. D is 3. If you know a and d, you can write arithmetic progression. Yes, is this clear? In this we have one more OR question. The last term of an arithmetic progression consisting of 12 terms is 37. What did you understand here? The last term of arithmetic progression consisting of 12 terms. If there are 12 terms, then what will be the last term? 12th term, right? So, given 12th term A12 is equal to 37. If the sum of the two middle terms of the progression is 41, sum of the middle terms, how can we guess? 12, it is an even number. 12 by 2, it will be 6, right? 6 is not a middle term. 6 and the next number, the middle two terms means 6 and the 7th term. That is, sum of two middle terms A6 plus A7 of the progression is 41. Then find the arithmetic progression and also the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. What did they ask here? Find the AP. Okay. Find the arithmetic progression and also the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. So that means another question here is S12. Sum of the terms means we have 12 terms. So sum of 12 terms. How can we proceed this? Consider this one A12. In general form, how can we write? A12 can be written as A plus 11d is equal to 37. And now this one A6 can be written as A plus 5d. A7 can be written as A plus 6d is equal to 41. Add these two. A plus A, it will be 2A plus 5d plus 6d, it will be 11d is equal to 41. First equation and this is second equation. Observe the equation carefully. Here only you get the answer. No need of prolonging the problem. We know 12th term, that means A plus 11d is 37. Observe this 2A plus 11d. This 2a I can rewrite it as a plus 11d is equal to 41. In the place of a plus 11d I can substitute 37. Then go with it. You can write here substitute equation 1 in above. Right? A plus 37 is equal to 41. A is equal to transpose other side, 41 minus 37, A is equal to 4. Right? Now, we got E. We can find D. How? Substitute this A value in any one of the equation. Substitute A is equal to 4 in equation 1. Right? A plus 11d is equal to 37. This 4 right here. 4 plus 11d is equal to 37. 11d is equal to 37 minus 4. 11d is equal to 33. Now 11 transpose other side. 33 by 11. 11 3s are. Then the common difference is 3. Okay, to find arithmetic progression, A and D are enough. So, the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, general form of the arithmetic progression. So directly you can substitute a and d value. 4, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 2 into 3, so on. 4, 4 plus 3 will be 7, then 6 plus 4 will be 10, so on. Therefore, the arithmetic progression is 4, 7, 10, so on. Half of the problem is completed. Then coming to next half, find the sum of these terms. That means sum of 12 terms. See children, SN formula, if you know first term and the last term, A12 is nothing but the last term, then your SN formula will be SN is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. N value is 12. 12 by 2 into A value is how much? 4 we got. Last term how much given? 37. 12 by 2 it will be 6. 37 plus 4 it will be 41. Multiply. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Therefore, the sum of 12 terms is 246. So, this is your answer. Right? The same problem we can do in another way. What is that? See, up to here is same. Then, by solving 1 and 2, by either elimination or any method, find A value, D value. After getting A, D value, general form of AP arithmetic progression you can write. Then after getting A and D, directly you can go for SN formula. So instead of substituting, you can solve the two equations also. Okay, is this clear? Sixth main, answer the following question. In this we will be having only one question that carries 5 marks. 5 into 1, 5 marks. 38th one. A metal memento has to be prepared by placing a solid sphere on a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. You can see the figure here. A solid cylinder and a sphere is placed on a top of a cylinder. Find quantity of the metal required to prepare this memento. Immediately underline a point. Find quantity. Quantity means volume. Find quantity of the metal sheet required to prepare this memento such that the radius of the cylinder is 6 cm and its height is 14 cm and the radius of the sphere is 2.1 cm. And also calculate the cost of painting the surface of the sphere. Next question, first question, we need to find the quantity of the metal memento. Quantity in the sense volume of a cylinder plus volume of a sphere. And your next question, calculate the cost of painting, not full solid, only painting a sphere. Surface of the sphere with golden color at the rate of 10 pies per centimeter square. So cost 10 pies per centimeter square. Let's start the solution by writing the given data. Given radius cylinder, let me mark it 1, sphere, let me mark it 2. That is radius of cylinder. Why 1, 2 I have marked here? Let me mark it R1 is equal to 6 centimeter. And next, height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder H1 is equal to 14 centimeter. And next, radius of sphere. Let me write R2 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. What is your first question? Find the quantity of the memento. Quantity means volume. Volume of metal memento is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. What is volume of a cylinder formula? Pi r1 square h1. Actually pi r square h, but here you have two solids, so separate it with r1 r2. So pi r1 square h1 plus volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. Is there anything common? Yes, pi is common. Take out common. r1 square h1 plus 4 by 3 r2 cube. Pi value is 22 by 7. r1 6 whole square h1 into 14 plus 4 by 3 into r2 2.1. So let me write 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. 2.1 we can write it as 21 by 10. So now is there any cancellation? 3 sevens and here you can go with cancellation, but as it is, keep as it is. 22 by 7 into 6 6 36, 36 into 14, 4 6 24, 12, 14, and this is 36, 4, 10, 5, 504. See, 6 6 36, 36 into 14 is 504. Plus, multiply this children, 7 4s are 28. 28 into 21. First let's do with 121. 28. Then again 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 5. Okay. 8. 8. 5. Then again with 588 you have another 21. Multiply 21. So this will be 588. Then with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 5s are 10, 11, 8, 14, 8, 9, 10, 13, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. By, observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 by 1000. How much you have? By 1000. So 22 by 7 into 504 plus 12.348, shall I write? Decimal convert. Now add these two. 504 plus 12.348. That will be 615. 516.348. Right? Let's see, will it cancel? Yes. 7 7s are 49. And here 2 left, 26. 7 3s are 21. 5 left, 53. 7 7s are 49. Again 4 left, 44. 7 6 are 42. Again it is 28. 7 4s are 28. That means, let me continue the problem here, is equal to 22 into 73.764. Now multiply. What you are going to get? So let me do multiplication here into 22. 8, 12, 15, 6, 7, 14. And again 1, 4, 7, 5, 2, 8. Add 8 and here 12, 6, 1, 6, and here you have a decimal point. So 1, 6 to 2.808 centimeter cube. So therefore, what you can write here? Therefore, volume of the memento is equal to 1622.808 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the metal memento is equal to 1622.808 centimeter cube. With this, half of the problem is completed. We have one more half, that is another sub question asked. What is that? Find the cost of painting the sphere with a gold color, and the cost of painting this sphere will be 10 paisa per centimeter square, it seems. So first we need to find the surface area of the sphere. So let me find total surface area of sphere is equal to, what is total surface area of a sphere formula? 4 pi r square. Always remember 4 times area of a circle, you remember 4 pi r square. So substitute 4 pi value 22/7. Radius of the sphere is 2.1. Let me write it as 21/10 into 21/10. And now 7 3s are 21. Now multiply. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into 22, it will be 24, 264. See here, 3 4s are 12, 12 22s are 264. Again multiply for this 21. This will be 264. 4 2s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 4 5, 4, 14, 5 5 4 4. So this will be 5544 by 10 tens are 100. So decimal convert 55.44 centimeter square. Right? We got total surface area of the sphere. Is the answer completed? No. We need to find the cost. Cost of painting is equal to 55.44 into, if you are saying in paisa, you need to multiply only 10. But in rupees you should say. So for that, 1 rupee is equal to 100 pice. So 10 paisa means 10 by 100. So 1 0, another 0 will be cancelled. Now 55.44 by 10. Shift one more decimal. That will be 5.544 rupees is your cost of painting the sphere. Is this clear? So once again look here carefully. First, quantity of the metal memento means volume of a cylinder plus volume of a sphere. Cost of painting the sphere. See here, you need to ignore the point which touches the cylinder. So complete total surface area we need to calculate. So first find the total surface area of the sphere, then cost 10 paisa per centimeter square there. The total surface area what you get, you multiply 10 by 100, you are going to get the cost. Is this clear? So with this, I am going to complete this question paper. So in this part, you will be having only these two mains. But in our next video, I am going to release a mix of all parts in a single video. So that if you watch that video, complete answers for the model paper will be available. Thank you all. Wish you all a good luck. And we are going to meet in our next paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.